What about my husband?
I don't know. I think he left the palace with some of the elders.
Oh, that's nice. Come. I would want you to keep what we're about to do now between us. Nobody should hear about it. I mean, nobody. Come and sit here. Oh?
Lolo, please. Please, leave me first, Lolo.
No, it's fresh, oh. It's not dry.
Lolo, please. You are bigger than this, Lolo. You can just leave my room, please.
Are you not a man? I'm giving you a gift. Something on a platter. You don't need to pay. You don't need to worry yourself. Just help me.
Lolo, I'm not a man at this point. Please, leave my room. Oh?
Okay, should I come and sit on your lap?
No, this is child abuse. Leave my room.
You're not a child. You're a full-grown man.
No, ma, please.
Okay, let me come and join you.
No, please. Leave my room, please.
Look at my face. Don't you like me? Look at me. Why are you hiding your face from me?
Lolo, please. Please. You are bigger than this. Leave my room.
Benji, help me. You're a very fine man. Just help me.
I can't do this, Lolo. Please, don't put me into trouble.
There's no trouble everywhere. Nobody's in the palace. Just told me my husband is not in the palace.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.